tutor! Hello children! Are you ready for another reading lesson? Let's start. I wake up early every morning. Again. I wake up early every morning. Your turn to read, children. I make my bed before breakfast. Again. I make my bed before breakfast. Your turn to read, children. I brush my teeth well. Again. I brush my teeth well. Your turn to read, children. I take a bath before school. Again. I take a bath before school. Your turn to read, children. I wear my clean school uniform. Again. I wear my clean school uniform. Your turn to read, children. I comb my hair neatly. Again. I comb my hair neatly. Your turn to read, children. I put on my socks and shoes. Again. I put on my socks and shoes. Your turn to read, children. I pack my books on my bag. Again. I pack my books on my bag. Your turn to read, children. I bring my pencils and crayons. Again. I bring my pencils and crayons. Your turn to read, children. I eat a healthy breakfast. Again, I eat a healthy breakfast. Your turn to read, children. I drink a glass of milk. Again, I drink a glass of milk. Your turn to read, children. I say goodbye to my family. Again, I say goodbye to my family. Your turn to read, children. I walk carefully to school. Again, I walk carefully to school. Your turn to read, children. I greet my teacher with a smile. Again, I greet my teacher with a smile. Your turn to read, children. I am ready to learn new things. Again, I am ready to learn new things. Your turn to read, children. I have a happy day at school. Again, I have a happy day at school. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read together. Are you ready? Let's start. I wake up early every morning. I make my bed before breakfast. I brush my teeth well. I take a bath before school. I wear my clean school uniform. I comb my hair neatly. I put on my socks and shoes. I pack my books on my bag. I bring my pencils and crayons. I eat a healthy breakfast. I drink a glass of milk. I say goodbye to my family. I walk carefully to school. I greet my teacher with a smile. I am ready to learn new things. I have a happy day at school. Great job, children! Remember, always practice reading so you can be a good and fast reader. Also, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.